In Wisconsin, it's freezing cold. We don't have to go spend 3-4 hours on a fire job anymore, scoping the job. There's no heat, there's no electricity, there's no light. I don't have to send estimators out there multiple times because we literally have it all documented for us with the 3D scan. My name is Dean Rossi, Jr. with Accent Property Restoration. I'm the CEO and owner of the business. I started the business with 2 partners about 11 years ago. It'll be 11 years in May. Bought both partners out since that time, and we're now in a 21,000 square foot facility. We are a start to finish full service restoration contractor. At this point, I'm the only contractor in the area that has Matterport. So I use that as a technology advantage versus my competition at this point. With Matterport is the ability to be able to see smoke damage when an adjuster is not on site. You can zoom in to show that this is additional smoke damage. You can see that it was a kitchen fire. You can see the amount of damage that it caused to the kitchen, but you can also see the smoke trails that it went into other bedrooms and to the bathroom as well. If I have a disagreement, I can send it to the adjuster and they can look at it and see at that point. Everybody that I've shown it to loves the product and is generally willing to pay for it because it helps them out as well. Whether it's from the initial water mitigation to the end to documenting contents, I think it's a revolutionary product for our industry and I love it.